So the time now 6 p.m. So I already completed the pouring of this partition between the subsoil drain and a storm water drainage channel. So as you can see, I've roughened the surface. The purpose of that is it would be a good banding between the old concrete and the new concrete when I pour this all the way through. So that's a normal practice when you pour the concrete and then you can finish it. Just roughen the surface, and then when you pour the final layer, you will have a good banding of concrete between the old and the new concrete you're gonna put in. By the way, the day is the same date, 5th of October 2020, and today is Monday, and I already started formworks for this channel or boundary wall, which is the final lift. As you can see, I put the bottom form that will hold the side form on this side here. Alright, so yeah, it looks I have a good progress of work today. So tomorrow I'm gonna pour this beam as well. So this is the final layer of the concrete that I gonna put in this area here. Alright, thank you so much, and I'm just gonna give you an update once this formworks completed today, and as I said, I will pour this tomorrow. Thank you so much, God bless, and bye for now.